Hey YouTube, it's indiakhalise and welcome back to another video. Today is Vlogmas Day 7. Right now I'm about to make me a smoothie and then head to Xfinity to get me a new phone because I'm about to start recording off the phone. Y'all seen that quality the other day? I need the iPhone 15. So yeah, let's go get an upgrade. But first, let's make a smoothie. So apparently they do have the 15 plus in pink. I thought only the 15 had the pink one, but the plus has the pink one. I don't know really what the difference is as far as quality, but I'm about to turn on the camera and see what it looks like. This is it. This is the 15 plus. So I traded it in, y'all, and here it is. It's so cute and so nice. It's a lot darker pink in person. It's just showing up really light. It looks like the same color as my current phone. I had a 13, the pink one, but this is a lot bigger and this is super cute. I just ordered a case off of Amazon and some screen protectors. The screen protectors I got for today between 2 and 6 because I would break the phone before I walk out the freaking store if I didn't get the protectors today. And the case is coming tomorrow. I don't know why this goes. I don't know why it's such a glare right now, but don't worry about that. Yeah, but I got it. I'm trading in this phone, so this is the end of the 13, and y'all will see some nice new quality on the 15 coming soon. Okay. So until we get the tripod for the phone, I'm gonna be filming off the front camera, but the back camera is the better quality. But I need to get a tripod so I can flip it around and see, you know. But for right now, this is the quality for the new phone. Super excited. I hope y'all excited. So yeah, let's get this day crack a lacking. Alright, y'all, I'm testing out the quality of this new phone. This is in cinematic and 4K on the 15 plus, and I'm trying to figure out which camera I need to look at and how high or how low I need to hold the camera up so I can stay in the frame. But I have a screen mirroring app that can show me what I look like when I have the back camera turned around, because obviously I can't see what I look like with the camera, you know, off my face. But we're gonna figure it out. This quality is super nice, so I'm super excited to get some super well done videos for y'all and not the old quality of the camera. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna figure out how we can best vlog off the phone, and I need to give me a little tripod. But besides that, we straight for real. So let me know what y'all think about the new quality of the phone, and if you like this or the old camera better. But regardless, I know this is better. Today is day 8. day 8, and so again it's gonna be another day of 2 collab videos, so yesterday and today. And we're back in the mall looking for some pajamas, but we did not find any. Went back in Five Below, still didn't see nothing. So I'm about to head into Pink right now to get some clothes, and I really need some more panties for the new season. So yeah, let's get this day crack-a-lacking. We're gonna go head to a different mall to look for some pajamas too, but I finally got the tripod. Quality is gonna be better, so let's get this day going.
To take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. Driving on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of Wayne, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, will feel it and smile. Still wanna try to believe in good days. Always inside, too busy in my mind. Help me on my fears, my limitations are disappearing.
Y'all, we came back into Target to try again for the Christmas pajamas because honestly, I just don't want to give up. We went back in Five Below too. I didn't record in there because it was literally the same thing, no sizes, nothing to match. So we trying to get in here, so let's see if we find anything. This is the last straw, and we want to make the cookies in the gingerbread houses today, but I want to get festive when we do it. That's where we find some. It's like long johns, thermals. Oh, these are kids. They got lots of socks. Don't need socks though. Crew neck? You like the crew neck? Yeah, come on, we gotta make some shake. Here's another set, the thermal type of thing. What is these doing? Women's 2-piece family sleep set, okay? Here's like the regular, this is a men's right here. Okay, what about these? Do you like this print or no?
What is this?
This is what happens when you date a clothing designer, because every piece of item, no matter if it look good or not, you gotta check the freaking quality on everything. And if it ain't,
why is the pants turning white when they stretch? That's terrible.
like I said, you gotta be real picky with whatever you pick. So what's the aisle?
MP50.
MP50. Okay, maybe we need to go ask the associate and figure out where it's at. Maybe it's some in here that we not seeing, because that quality was kind of trash, I'm not gonna lie. So we about to figure it out. We about to see. It's so many freaking people out here that you can't even find anything you're looking for because it's already all gone. It's literally December 8th. Last year, literally on this day, I looked at my camera roll. We had our pajamas and stuff. Yeah, December 8th last year, we had our pajamas already picked out. We was putting the ornaments on the tree and everything. So like, I'm not understanding. And I thought we went and got the pajamas like the night before. We got them the night before at Target. So what's up? Where they at? I'm lost.
We all up.
For real.
Searching for
the aisle you seen on the app?
I'm searching Christmas pajama. Yeah.
Okay.
Christmas pajama. Okay, let's see.
Where is them at? I didn't see that.
Online, I think. Nearby store. No. You want what's in here.
Such a large selection in the Target at home last year. And even like the fleece pajamas. It's all that's in here is the basic checker, black and white. Like, I don't want that. Why would it be basic? Confirmed? We're not getting nothing in here? Gonna have to order it online. Gonna have to hit up Amazon. Amazon gonna have it. Actually, you know what though? What if it come late? Because my phone case was late today.
Oh, I'm so sorry about it. I have to check for it. Can you please share with me the last 4 digits of the order number?
Yes, 1 second.
What happened?
They said it's just delayed and the system says delivered even though it's not. And she said it's with the carrier. So I have to wait until Monday by 7 p.m. Hopefully I don't crack it by then.
Fuck amazing.
I'll get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude.
It's delayed for the holiday season, but I'm confused. I'm a Prime member. I feel like I should be prioritized.
Oh, not you a Prime member.
No?
Oh. Oh, you ain't pull that one.
I did. After my carrying bag real quick. Bruh, we need some pajamas. What? Gingerbread house cat stretcher? She wouldn't even hit it up though. This wasn't here the other day. So, another big fat L, y'all. I don't know what else I can do. I don't know. I really don't. We done tried to go to Five Below and Target twice, hoping, you know, maybe they restock with the size. Went back in there today. Same thing, bro. Same freaking thing. Snoopy, in pants. Grinch in pants. It's not really pajamas, but
Where's the print? Can I get some Christmas print?
right, why is it only on the foot? Maybe it's some on the top. Where's the shirt at? Merry Grinchmas.
I can fit this.
This is cute. I mean, they got these.
Oh, these feel like a piece of paper. When we do one wash in these, it's gonna come out the dryer crunchy, crinkly.
Do y'all think the quality matter right now, or do y'all want the content?
Even this print is
I think they want the content.
Even this print is bad. It's giving like Craig and Friday, just in red.
Oh no. They got hella socks. It ain't shit in here, bro. Like this is the best print. That's not basic, but it's trash. He's kind of
Oh wow.
he's kind of thick.
All right.
Them smooth. We about to make something shake. I don't know what it is, but we gonna make something do what it gotta do. Cause we need it. We need it. We doing it for y'all. We all own it.
So much that like, I'm subscribing.
Oh God, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notice. Cause we coming out with so much that you just don't wanna miss. Don't wanna miss this. We trying Kohl's next. It ain't nothing in here for us. Not a damn thing. And we thought about Costco, but what is you gonna get in there besides a bulk pack of clothes? And then even then, it probably ain't even gonna be all that. It's probably gonna be worse print than what we just saw in here. So we about to try.
Somebody's smelling straight alcohol, and like they just drink a little. I'm fed up. I'm done with today.
You wanna get a pizza from Costco? We did say last time we should have just hit it up while we was here. It ain't gonna be no parking over there. We might as well just walk.
And if it have a long ass line in there, bro.
Decided to grab a Costco pizza because we are starving. Heading to Kohl's next. We just called them and they do have some matching ones. So we're gonna try them next and hopefully we get some. Hope. No glizzy for me, please.
Alright, so we're gonna get a whole pepperoni pizza and I want a big ass glizzy right there.
I'll have a bite of yours. Just don't get no mustard.
I like mustard.
Get your mustard.
Okay, 12:14.
Alright. Why do they have Sephora in here? Ate the pizza in the car. This is the last stop. If we don't get the pajamas in here, I don't know what we gonna do. Cause we done tried everywhere else, literally everywhere else we done tried to get some pajamas. Pray for us. Pray it goes right this time. Pray that we get it done. We manifesting it. It really got Sephora in here. Okay, a whole bunch of holiday stuff.
Right.
Yeah, right as hell. Hella decoration actually.
Good to me.
Good. Okay.
$10. Now this is a snipe. Ain't nobody gonna have this on.
Rate it.
10.
Good pants though. It's an XL? Oh, he's trash anyway. More shirts though.
What you think? Which one?
Whatever one got my size. Grab a small.
Small.
Rate it.
9.
What's missing?
It's not fluffy, but it's fluffy.
Yeah, it's like almost fluffy, you know. Those fluffed.
Oh, fluffy.
But ain't no smalls. Hey.
What are you talking about?
Alright.
Oh, this that one. We just sauced up with this bitch.
Rate it.
10.
10.
It's a 10 out.
We did it.
Ooh, y'all ain't never seen these before. MTV sludges. Can we post this on the gram tonight?
Yeah. A real post?
Yeah, like real post.
Alright, come on.
Need it, baby, I'm late, but I